on, bruv! Come on, mate. Keep going, bruv.
I knew that would happen.
What would happen?
That the
Alright, yeah.
That, didn't it, mate? Not far to go, bruv. Not far, mate.
No, you didn't catch up with Evan. He came looking for you.
Well,
He's alright. Come on, mate, let's go. Last push. Might want to let me sit now.
how you doing, Mike?
I'm good, mate, I'm good. Bit out of breath. Little bit of a panic there with the train.
Yeah.
But that's how we roll. Dodging trains and traffic.
Crossing.
Sprint finish. Great music for this occasion.
Keep going, bruv. Keep going.
Louder!
Turn that music up.
Louder!
Keep going, mate.
You having trouble, right?
Sound effects by Goffy.
Getting stronger.
Not far, lads.
There they are.
Come on!
Oh, this is my tune. It's Gareth.
Come on, Mike, keep going.
He's really far.
All the cheers. Mike's lost that. Someone grab the back of it. Go on, Paul.
George, check that out. We have done over a marathon.
26.57 miles.
We run too far.
Well done, mate.
Really sick.
Blimey, you have, haven't you? 0.3 of a mile too far.
Mad Dr. Goose, this is over and out.
What match is this going to?
Well done, mate.
Did you go? Good. Good man. I can't believe that last day.
France, Germany, Holland. Well done,
Alright,
26 points.
Unbelievable feat. Father and son.
Oh, don't like that. We'll wait till you're on.
Alex, can you get my camera out? Just do a pack of, oh, I'll get Mel to do it. Take a load of pics, babe.
No.
You all right, mate?
No.